Hi guys, and this is our new tutorial about the Instagram app. Today we will show you how to mute someone on Instagram. So let's go to this app, and right now we will show you how to mute, as I said before, someone using the following section, because if you want to mute someone from the For You page, you won't be able to do this because this person will disappear from your page later when you will refresh your home page, but the followings account will appear from time to time on your home page. So this mute option is really very useful only for following. So how to use it? We need to go to this following section. We can find on the profile page, on the top bar of the profile page, and later we need to select the needful account to mute. As an example, we will choose our account, HardReset.Info, and tap on the three dots opposite it. Sorry, I will repeat. Later we need to pick on the mute option, and here we have two different ways to mute: on the post as an example, or on the stories, or both of these features after tapping on the toggles opposite them and make these switchers blue. So right now we won't have any notification about the posts and stories of the selected account. To save these settings, let's tap on the free space upper. And to check the result, I will go to my profile page and refresh it. Later, let's check the result after tapping on the same icons and buttons. Well done! As you can see, all of the settings was smoothly saved, and right now our notifications from the selected user are disabled. So how to unmute the selected account? We need to tap on the same option as before, mute, and tap on the one of the blue switches opposite stories or post feature. From now on, we will receive alerts, notifications about posts, stories, etc. of this account. So to save these changes, to unmute the selected account, let's tap on the free space as before, and I will check the result after refreshing my profile page. And right now, as you can see, we have the unmuted HardReset.Info account. Guys, don't forget about likes. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to find out even more needful information about the Instagram and other apps. Goodbye!